from the gate. We're going to see the lechon cooked. Yay!
This was a first for me.
Hello, manang.
We were deep in the heart of the Philippines, surrounded by the smell of smoke, wood, and something amazing slowly roasting over open fire. This wasn't just any barbecue. This was lechon, the Filipino way. No machines, no shortcuts, just firewood, bamboo, and hands that knew exactly what they were doing. I had always heard about it. The crispy skin, the juicy meat.
This is the original lechon being cooked.
But this time, I wasn't just watching. I actually helped cook it.
Cooking lechon. Fresh. They just killed it too.
From prepping the pig to turning the spit by hand under the blazing sun. Hours of labor and laughter.
There we go.
Stories shared between turns.
Lechon in the Philippines.
And the anticipation building with every crackle of the fire. When it was finally done, pure magic. Crispy, golden skin that crunched with every bite. And meat so tender, it almost melted in your mouth. This wasn't just about food. It was about tradition, community, and being part of something real.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dodong. Happy birthday, James Bond.
Now, every time I think of lechon, I think of this day.